In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum an array Notion. If you're tracking things like sales, expenses, or any list of values in a Notion database, adding them up automatically can save time and reduce manual errors. We'll walk through the exact menu path so your column totals itself and stays accurate as your data changes. Start by heading to the numeric column you want to total. At the top of that column, click the column's number properties. This opens the property menu for that column. It's helpful to confirm that this property actually holds numbers, either a number type or a formula that outputs a number, so the calculation can work correctly. If your values look like text or mixed types, the sum won't behave as expected. Next, move your cursor to the Calculate option in that same menu. Don't click yet, just hover. Calculate is where Notion controls the summary that appears for the column. Think of it as the command center for how Notion treats all the values in that column within the current view. Now hover on more options within the Calculate area. This reveals the full set of available calculations. Notion offers a variety of summaries here, and hovering helps you see everything without closing the menu. This is especially useful if your first list of options looks limited. Finally, click on Sum. The moment you do, Notion will display the total of all numeric values in that column at the bottom of the view. You should see the number update immediately. From now on, anytime you add, edit, or remove a value in that column, the total will recalculate automatically. It's dynamic and tied to the view you're in, which means filters and sorts in this view directly affect what's included in the sum. A few quick tips to keep your results clean. Empty cells are ignored, while zeros are included, so use blank cells for missing data and zero for true zero values. If your numbers represent money, apply a currency format in the property settings so the total is easy to read. Decimals and large numbers are fully supported. And remember, the calculation reflects only the rows visible in the current view. If you're filtering by date, status, or person, your sum will reflect that filtered subset. That's all there is to it. By clicking the number properties, hovering on Calculate, hovering on more options, and selecting Sum, you create a reliable, always up-to-date total for your data in Notion.